5 tips to expedite your financial progress. Don't rely on just one source of income. Take on freelance projects, start a blog, or publish an ebook. Diversifying your income boosts earnings and provides stability. Spread your funds across stocks, real estate, and bonds. Invest in dividend stocks for steady income and growth stocks for long-term wealth accumulation. Monetize your skills. Offer services on platforms like Upwork or create online courses. Tap into your passion and maximize your income potential. Track expenses and reduce unnecessary spending. Cut down on dining out, subscription services, and impulse purchases. Allocate more funds towards investments or paying off debts. Build a strong professional network. Attend industry events, join online communities, and seek mentorship. Continuous learning opens doors to higher paying opportunities. In conclusion, diversify, invest wisely, leverage your skills, budget, network, and learn. Implement these strategies to accelerate your wealth accumulation and achieve financial security rapidly.